From the silent mountain to the swift river, ocean and forest, every story, a child, a parent, a brave hero. Every shadow hides a story. To explore is to discover. We build bridges to the stars.
The ancient book whispers a story. I will explore the distant mountains, where the great river meets the ocean.
I must explore this ancient path.
I found the letter. It spoke of a hidden world, beyond the mountains and the rivers, to the edge of the ocean, where stars guide the way. This is my story.
Every journey begins with a single step, written in an ancient book. Through valleys and rivers, we discover who we are. Under the stars, the horizon calls.
From the mountain to the ocean, through the forest and the city street, we build. Every story, message, and friend creates a bright and silent memory. Every story begins with a single step. Leaving the cozy, quiet, we explore rivers, oceans, and distant cities. A brave heart discovers what is hidden. To stay